And we are working new developments in the North Attleboro murder investigation surrounding Aaron Hernandez.
Just weeks before the former Patriots star is set to stand trial in the shooting death of Odin Lloyd, a Fall River judge laid down some ground rules, ruling which pieces of disputed evidence can and cannot be presented by prosecutors.
Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly joins us now live from Fall River Superior Court with the latest developments. Sean?
With Aaron Hernandez's murder trial set to begin in less than a month, his defense lawyers managed to get some key evidence thrown out, but the bulk of the prosecution's case stands.
That wasn't just, oh, we went out, we hung out, we had a good time.
Oddly, Aaron Hernandez was laughing a lot today during a serious court hearing in Fall River in advance of his upcoming murder trial. The former star tight end for the New England Patriots is accused of shooting and killing Odin Lloyd in June of 2013. He's also accused of killing two other men in Boston a year earlier. Today, a judge ruled prosecutors will not be allowed to introduce evidence in those two murders when Aaron Hernandez goes on trial for the Odin Lloyd murder.
Their theory is no evidence that Mr. Hernandez took that occasion to show Odin Lloyd the place where he supposedly had killed two people a year earlier. He showed him that place. And then, having shown him that place, he decided, well, now that I've shown it to him, I better kill him. I mean, that is their theory. It is based on nothing.
Judge Susan Garsh also blocked prosecutors from introducing a 2009 photo of Aaron Hernandez with a gun in his hand. She also threw out text messages Odin Lloyd sent his sister shortly before he was shot and killed.
I mean, this is just a fantasy, Your Honor. There is zero evidence that supports this theory.
Aaron Hernandez is set to go on trial on January 5th. Coming up new at 6, a prosecutor put all three murders and a fourth shooting together in a chilling argument. Live in Fall River with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.
First at 6, we begin with new developments in the North Attleboro murder case against Aaron Hernandez. The former Patriots player is set to go on trial next month for the killing of Odin Lloyd.
Today, during a pretrial hearing, a judge ruled that prosecutors won't be allowed to tell a jury about the final text messages the victim sent to his sister.
Hernandez is also accused in a deadly double shooting, and the defense wants the judge to bar prosecutors from telling the jury about evidence in that case.
New at 6, a prosecutor puts it all together in a chilling argument. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly's live outside of Fall River Superior Court with the new developments tonight.
With his murder trial set to begin next month, Aaron Hernandez was back here in court in Fall River today, where a judge slightly weakened the prosecution's case.
Commonwealth versus Aaron Hernandez.
The former star tight end for the New England Patriots, Aaron Hernandez, goes on trial soon for the third of three murders he's accused of. A prosecutor tried to convince a judge to allow him to link the first two murders to the third murder on the grounds that the first two motivated the third. Prosecutors said he also shot and injured a fourth person.
We're talking about three people getting killed and a fourth getting shot between the eyes in 11 months, all involving this defendant, all motivated by slights, perceived slights by the defendant, all as a result of these relationships occurring at clubs.
But Judge Susan Garsh ruled against linking the four crimes. She also threw out text messages Odin Lloyd sent his sister shortly before he was shot and killed. Prosecutors say the text messages suggest Odin Lloyd was afraid of Aaron Hernandez.
I don't think you can just suggest or that it's fair to say these things aren't relevant.
A former football star is accused of three murders, but he's facing trial on the last one first and the first two last, with no legal link between them. Live in Fall River with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.